In author A. Pecora's new book, discover a fast-paced murder mystery with many twists and turns that also includes a surprise ending. In this sharply written noir, follow private detective and former police officer Cody Thomas as he is thrown into an ever-evolving world of death and deception. Will Cody manage to crack this case? Or will he become another casualty in a twisted realm filled with drugs and mobsters? Explore the underbelly of society in this thrilling tale kept taut by the main character's determination to find answers, no matter the cost. A heart-pounding roller coaster ride that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Don't miss this unforgettable novel. Available online at www.amazon.com.